How to get XRP address in Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get XRP address in Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Binance. After you open up your Binance, you will then be, logged in into your account. Make sure you do that first. After that, you can then head over to the assets section that is on the bottom right. You'll need to tap on add funds. Now tap on deposit crypto. And from here, you'll need to select XRP, search for that. Then here you can simply choose a network. Just choose XRP Ledger. Then choose whichever you want. Then after you do that, you will then see an option where you can, just get a QR code and then an address. So if you just choose XRP and choose any other crypto here, after you verify it, you'll get a QR code or an address. So you can simply copy the address and that's basically it. You'll also get a share option for that address. So you can choose that as well and share it to whomever you want. And that's how you can get XRP address in Binance. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.